Hello everyone, it's Miss Sands here. Welcome to another maths lesson. The aim of today's lesson is I know tens and ones for numbers to 50. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to make numbers to 50. You will be able to say how many tens and ones are in numbers to 50, and you'll be able to solve problems using tens and ones. Before we start our lesson, let's get our brains warmed up with some previous learning. Question 1. Use the symbols to complete the number sentence. 5 add 6. 6 add 5. Question 2. Complete the bar model. Question 3. Add together 7 and 6. Question 4. What number is shown? Now let's check your answers. 5 add 6 equals 11. 6 add 5 equals 11. The symbol in the middle is equals or the same as. Question 2. 17 is a whole number. 5 is a part. We're missing the other part. The missing part is 12. Question 3. 7 and 6 equals 13. And question 4, I can see this is number 8 on a tens frame. Well done everyone. Now it's time to start our lesson. I know tens and ones for numbers to 50. Wow, look at all the beautiful birds. How many are there? There are 10 birds in one tree. How many full trees are there? There are 3 full trees. That makes 30 and 4 more birds. So how many birds are there? That's right, there are 34 birds. How many straws are there? There are 10 straws in each bundle. There are 4 bundles of 10 straws and 3 more. Altogether, there are 43 straws. Here there are 10 blocks and a group of 10. We know that 10 ones is equal to 1 10. How many are there? We can see there are 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones is 36. Well done. Now it's your turn. How many apples are there? Pause the video whilst you have a go. How did you get on? There are 3 tens and 4 ones. There are 34 apples. Great job. Now try this one. What number is shown? Pause the video whilst you have a go. How did you get on? There are 4 tens and 8 ones. The number shown is 48. Great work. I'd like you to use some objects to make these numbers. You could take photos of your work to add to your home learning pack. I use rolled up balls of silver foil. I put 10 in a bag to represent the tens, and I have small balls which represent the numbers 1 to 9. You might do the same, or you could use straws in bundles of 10 instead. How many tens and how many ones are in these numbers? Well done. There are 2 tens and 5 ones in the number 25. There are 3 tens and 7 ones in the number 37. There are 4 tens and 2 ones in the number 42. I can't wait to see the pictures of your tens and ones when you return your home learning pack to school. What numbers have I made? Look carefully to see how many tens and ones there are. Pause the video whilst you share your ideas with a partner or someone at home. How did you get on? I can see 3 tens and 3 ones, so there are 33 balloons. I can see 3 10 sticks and 1, so this makes 31. I can see 4 tens and 6 ones, and this makes 46. Pause the video whilst you draw the base 10 to represent these numbers. I draw them like this. I draw a stick to show the tens and then small squares to represent the individual ones. You might like to use this method to show the tens and ones in these numbers. How did you get on? Maybe you could use this technique to record how many tens and ones are in numbers. I know when I look at it, a stick shows 10. Have a look at mine. 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones is 32, and it looks like this. Great work. Can you complete these number sentences? Pause the video whilst you copy them out into your home learning pack. Look carefully at the number of tens and ones for each one. Let's check your answers. 1 10 and 8 ones is 18. 2 tens and 5 ones is 25. 41 is 4 tens and 1 1. 37 is 3 tens and 7 ones. 2 tens and 10 ones is the same as 3 tens because we know that 10 ones is equal to 1 10. So 3 tens is 30. Great job. Now it's time for problem of the day. I know tens and ones for numbers to 50. Eva and Jack are making the same number. Eva's number has these tens. Jack's number has 9 ones. What number are Eva and Jack making? Eva and Jack were making the same number. Eva had 2 tens. Jack had 9 ones. So they have made the number 29. Great work. That's the end of our lesson. You have met our success criteria. I know tens and ones for numbers to 50. You can make numbers to 50. You can say how many tens and ones are in numbers to 50. And you can solve problems using tens and ones. How do you feel about the lesson? Did you meet the criteria? Don't forget to share your work with us at school. Remember, you can send WhatsApps or photos of all the work you've done. Send me an email and even come to school and post it in our school postbox. I can't wait to see your wonderful work.